summer sky. Can't help it, we're by your side. In the end, when the winter comes, we turn our backs, we can't help, we're gone. This is our identity.
Hello. Okay, let me see here. Where is the window? There it is. Boom. Okay, this is cool. Let's see. Just gonna start building. I'm just gonna start developing some of the things that I'm gonna. Oh yes, if you have questions, just ask away, because I don't mind. Okay, let's see, where was that? Oh yes, the buoy. I am sure this will be useful. I guess no one turned on notifications. Yeah, I know. Goofies, eh? Ah yes, I'm gonna need to develop some things on the lobby servers. Anyways, I think I'm just gonna start with the buoy because I don't even know like what to do yet. So whoops. I remember that like for the structure I'm gonna have to get the button here and move it here. Yup, there we go. And I'm just gonna lobby. Let's see here. This one has 0.9 minus 20. This is 0.9. What's the size of this thing? Okay, 1 minus 20. So this should also be 1 minus 20. 1 minus 20. There you go. I'm going to get the anchored on. Oh right. Oh right. Positioning problems. Does this go up or down? Oh. What's the anchor of this thing, by the way? Oh, no one can tell. How about -1? Well, actually, this is supposed to be... Yeah, it's supposed to be 1. Okay. And I'm going to... this. And... I'm gonna use a very cool plugin for around the side, which is this little thing here. Not sure if this works. Is this? Yeah, that looks good. But oh, I have to say, it is weird. Actually, no, don't do that yet. Try Tetris 99 yet? Not yet. Not yet. Like I tried to do this thing here, so I'm gonna have to delay the Tetris 99 thing for a while. But don't worry, I'll do it. Like I will try it out, so you don't have to worry. The only thing I wish, is that like they add a corner radius property, so I don't have to mess with decals and all those bad stuff. Because really, it just gets so annoying. So people just use 9 slice, which is a cool thing. Like even though like 9 slice is a very cool thing, it's not that convenient. So that's why Roblox is trying to actually implement corner radius, from what I've heard. But let's see what they will do. Okay. Now I'm going to see if I can add a little image here, image label. Hopefully, if I get this right. Help me, man. This is not good at all. Let me get this out of the way. Oh, come on.
What can I do to make you?
Good. The index, like the index doesn't work for this at all. Yeah, this is why making buttons gets so annoying. Remember making 2 live streams? The other one hasn't started. Yeah, because I turned that off. Since like I want to make it 1080p. Yeah, so the other one I will just delete it. Like delete it. Okay, how about this? I'm not supposed to add an image that is supposed to be a frame. This one, I'm going to turn that to a quarter. 1.5. Gonna copy this. You live a high life, limousines through your fantasies. actually, I'm just gonna make it. Yes, there you go. That's better. Now, and I'll make it 1010. Done. Oh wait, whoops. Gonna do this to the. What on earth happened to the thing? Okay. I'm just gonna make it. It's going to be 0.9. No? No? Okay. Also, I'll be right back because I have something to do. Yes. Okay, I'll be right back. Turn the music down a bit, okay.啊，唔知人哋傳緊流咧就，我就冇拋你嘅。係啊，不過等下我已經抌咗衫落去㗎啦，所以你條褲抌埋喺度洗埋。Okay, so weird stuff happened. Don't worry. Yes, it's Cantonese. Yay! I'm speaking Cantonese, and I forgot to turn off my mic. Oh, great. Okay, keep on. I'm just gonna keep on going. Wait, did you just? Yes, I spoke Cantonese. Yay! So let's keep going. Don't worry, next time I'm not gonna like turn on my mic again. Turn on my mic when I'm AFK. Because like it's an urgent matter, so I can't really I don't really have a choice. Change the text font for lobby. Yes, I will. Okay. But for now I'm trying to like get the background colors right. Okay, let me just try this again. Oh no. Okay. Let's see if I can like change the color of this thing. Yes, there you go. That's what I wanted. Oh yes, I literally forgot to like anchor this. Eat. There you go, an orange button. Would you look at that? Right. Now. Okay, now. The button, I'm going to make this thing 1 and 0. So I have to say that's not gonna work. Ah, okay, I can see the reason. So it also means that I have to like make them separate like this, or this. There you go. Looks good. Okay. Now I'm going to 0. And then this will be. Yay, okay. Now, font change. I'm gonna change it to cartoon. This. And change the color. The color should be a little bit dark, otherwise, like, it's not gonna go well. So if you have any color suggestions, please tell me because I'm not really good at visual arts. Thanks. Okay, cool. How do you get rounded edges? Why not just make an image button? Those are a thing, you know. Because no. Because I don't want to. Make it like black. Okay, if you want it black, okay, I'm gonna make it black. There you go. There you go, it looks like a Halloween theme now. Oof. Okay, let's see here. Alright. It's gonna... I'm now thinking about what to do next. I'm doing that. Make it like black white border pixels. Okay, so white border pixels. Delete this, and if it's 1, oh, that will be completely invisible. So here's a crispy, not transparent border. That's nice. Okay, let me just head to UI Manager. Okay, now. Hold up, let's see. Also, one more thing, and Kentu told me that I can make an image button. I actually have a fix for that one. Which is, where is my... Oh, there it is. Class converter. Let me change that into a button. Boom. And then, this will turn into a text label. Oh, would you look at that? Okay. Apparently, it didn't know what text color 3 is. Great. Okay. Text transparency is 0. And then this will be 0. Yes, there you go. Now there you go. A button. And this will be the creation button. The image button sometimes gets filtered and they take a while to load. Yes, exactly, we can put text labels on an image label. So yeah, a new thing for you to learn, Ankit. So, oh yes, also you should download the class converter and Roundify, because they're very cool. Roundify makes, of course, rounded frames, and class converter converts stuff into other stuff, like an image label to an image button, and it's an easy process. So yeah, very, very, very convenient. At least in my opinion. Okay, back to Lumi Manager. I have to start making the references. So MLS, lobby, creation button. This reminds me of like how I work with stuff in Visual Studio during computer science class. Like the naming conventions are like so similar. So let's see here. The lobby creation button. Okay. So let me just add this here. ML lobby creation button. Dot when it's clicked. Is it one? Okay. It should be this one, I think. Haven't scripted games for a while. Multiplayer, okay. This will be make a lobby for yourself. So this is why I actually scripted the lobby service beforehand. Oh yes, I need to add the documentation. Maybe later. Let's see here. Lobby service. Oh yeah, I'm not even done with this thing yet. Okay. I'll do that. Function lobby service make lobby. How come you're working alone? Yeah, I'm planning on after testing by myself, then I can actually call the team in. So yeah, but it takes a while, and like my friends are getting really anxious. Let's just say that. I'm not gonna say that they're impatient because that's gonna be a little bit rude. So let's just say they're getting anxious of like how much I procrastinate right now. Yeah, sorry if it still offends you though, my friends. Okay, make the lobby. Local I forgot to actually get the modules. This thing. Let's see, how do we do that? Okay. Let me just go ahead and add the wire. Let's see here. Lobby self dot what up? Also how's the stream, guys? Like are there any problems with the graphics and stuff? I'm just gonna pull up the API because like the framework can be a little bit confusing to work with at first, but normally it really makes things easier. Documentation, execution model, I think. Nope, stream's going great. Thank you. Okay, so this is just the tip about execution and stuff, but I want like modules. Ah yes, self-modules. Perfect. So self.modules.lobby. Do I have to require it though? Let me see here. Yeah, this is good. I'm just gonna read some of the API for now. Reading. Invoking, let me see. Using module. Okay, there you go. Self.module stuff. Yeah, cool. So now, I'm just gonna leave it like this. Lobby, not lobbies, lobby equals to self.modules.lobby, there you go. Cool. New lobby equals to lobby dot new. I think. Let me get the lobbies thing up. Okay. Lobby dot new host and permissions. Let's see, where's the lobby service? Lobby.new, make lobby, the host, and the permissions. The permissions is basically whether everyone's allowed, or it's just friends, or it's just people in a certain level, maybe, if I can add that. Think of it as like notoriety permissions when you're making a contract. Host pairs. Okay, cool. And then lobbies. Oh wait. Table.insert lobbies. New lobby. Cool. Don't need to read the instructions. I actually know this by now. Now, let's see it. Alright. Firstly, I'm gonna hide the frame to this. Let's see here. MLS false thing. It's this one. I'm a very lazy guy, so I don't want to even bother just putting the values in. There you go. Anyways, let me just show you what I have right now, because just want to let you guys know so that you may be impressed or not. Oh, apparently there are a few errors in there. Hold up. 22. Ah, yes. It happens a lot of times when I have little typos in there. Yeah, right. Weird. Okay, don't tell me that. Oh yes, of course. I need to like use the mainframe, not the screen GUI itself. Why am I so silly? Okay, let's try it. Is this good? No? No? Did I put in the wrong variable again? Oh yes. Yes I did. I'm getting more silly these days. Is this good yet? Yes? No? Maybe? Okay. In case you don't know, this is still WIP, so whoops. This one on the other hand, looks very good. Okay, let's test it now. Make a lobby for itself. Let's see here. There should be an article about like invoking client services. Client exposed. Okay. Let's see here. Clients. Okay, cool. So basically, I have to use the client thingy. Yeah. Got client. Let's see if this works. Local lobby equals to put up. Let's go ahead and get our next service in, which is the lobby service. Okay. And the lobby service will be equal to not select. What on earth happened to the suggestions list? And why is there no self keyword in the suggestions list? See, I'm not checking my mail. Let's see here. Let's see here. Client to resist to also method to client. Okay. So basically, it means that like I actually forgot the player. There you go. Or actually, the host is the player, so I don't really need that. Lobby equals to lobby service. Oop. Is the client.server. Reference back to the service, so client-facing methods can invoke server-facing methods. Okay, maybe I'm just reading the wrong one. Where's the controller? Invoking another control invoking service. There you go. This. Okay, good. Now, it's gonna lobby service. Actually, let me just. Currently, a lot of people, and the problem is we're running out of ideas for decorations. It's that empty. Oh dear. Okay. Don't worry, you figure it out, Blue Moon and Supilian. I have faith in you. Lobby. Hey.
You turn toward me and look so weak. I've never seen you with such tired eyes.
Getting back here.
And everything you said we'd be, we just traded for a suit coat and a tie.
And permissions for now. I'm gonna say everyone. Yeah, that's it. And then print the lobby's host's name. Just try that. Unless I'm getting it wrong. Okay. Okay. Well then.
Follow me down. There's no one around. Lay back and take
Attempt to index field host. New value. So where's the lobby objects? Yeah. Now what are you saying?
Standing underneath the rows of trees, I can see you where the
Okay.
ocean meets the sky. Under our clothes, a fire grows. We are ready for this life.
Let's try this.
Underneath the rows of trees, I will see you where the ocean meets the sky. Under your toes,
Listen, why not you use code used for this development session? I'm trying to like make this thing from the ground up, because right now the engine that we're using is a little bit bad, and I feel like there's some vulnerabilities. So I'm trying to do it again. Yeah. Oh. Oh yes, of course. What am I doing even? Of course, I forgot to pass these as parameters. What am I even thinking? And what happened to my brain these days? I am weird. Okay, let's do it again. Boom! Yes! Okay, that looks good. But now, we're gonna have to get the, okay, we need to get the link part. The linking part. Like, I want to make sure the player can just walk out of the lobby walk out of this area and while they're still hosting the lobby, because that's what I planned, and that would give the players a little bit more freedom. Also, I should update my tag editor. I installed quite a few cool plugins in here, and let's see here. Cool. Alright, let's see. Currently counting the second delay, 8-second delay. Yeah, whoops. Don't worry, it happens, it happens. Okay. Now, what to do? Oh yes, I have to make myself another GUI now. Which is which is used to actually list the players. Okay, let me just make myself a new frame. And like, lobby players GUI is this. Yeah, I'm sure that's fine. Okay, let me just bring this thing to view now. 0.9, I think. Yes. Okay, cool. Of course, I'm gonna need some variety in how I make the GUIs. So here we go. This looks cool. Let's make it 0.6, 0.6, and 1.
Oh my baby, got me staring at you. So I'm crazy.
And I'm going to make it at 0.5. Yeah, that's cool. I'm going to dock the position to 0. However, I'm going to add 10 more. There you go. And then this here, on the other hand, will be 0.50. This looks nice. Of course, because I need some variety in the frames. Let's actually make this. Guys, tell me a color that you want. Question: What's the 2 cylinders for this test? The left one is single player and the right one is multiplayer. Green. Okay. Green. There you go. Oh wait. Yeah, is that good? Is this good, or do you want to make it a little darker? Jinx. Oh yes, in case you don't know, you won't be able to see the windows that pop up for like selecting colors or like code suggestions, because sometimes like Studio is a little bit weird. This is the lobby players GUI, by the way. We can make it red for multiplayer. Okay. Anyways. Is this color good, guys? Or maybe because I was a little bit impatient. Okay, I suppose it's good. Now, I'm going to make myself... This is gonna be the player list. And this is gonna be the hosts list on the right side of the thing. And let me actually duplicate this. Poof. And then clear out whatever's in here. Gonna make this thing the host info frame. And I'm going to make this thing 0.4. And I'm going to dock it to the right side of the frame. And then 1. This is gonna be what? 1 negative 10 0.50. Yes, perfect. Or actually, what's the size of this thing? How about I make it 10 for this one? Yes, there you go. Of course, I don't want the green color, I want this to be a little bit orange. What do you say? Does this look pleasant to you? Looks promising. Cool. Good stuff. Thanks. Yeah, we can work with it. Okay. Now, the thing is, this is the lobby player's GUI, and this will be the host info frame. Inside, I'm going to make myself a little portrait. Where is the... Let's see here, where's the image label? Yes, somehow I'm a little blind today. So don't mind me. And I'm going to make this the middle. You see why later. 0.50, 0.40. Not good enough. 0. Oh no, the UI editor is acting weird again. Okay. Here you go. Let's see. Maybe 0.3. No, 0.4. Or maybe 0.35, just to be in the middle. Yeah, that will work. This will be the host. The host image. To say, and then I'm going to make it. I'm going to make it roundify. Let's see if I can roundify this thing. No, I cannot. Aw, man. Also, oh, what happened to the GUI editor? Levels index behavior. Go. Yes, this is perfect. Oh, do I have to type in the values again? Like, honestly, the UI editor is really acting weird today. Inside is going to be here, and I'm going to make it 1010. And fine. Fine, be that way. Poof. Of course, I'm gonna make the background 1 and the border pixel 0. Okay. Okay, now the host image. Let me get the... Oh yes, let's get the size of this thing first. Why? Let's see here. What's the absolute size of this thing? 321.5. So if I do the calculations, where's my calculator? I'm going to make this thing, okay, so this is 0.31 on the y-axis. 0.31, 0.31, so yeah, that looks good. If I want, I actually make it 0.3150. Yeah, that makes it a little bit bigger. Cool. Let's make the thing dock in the middle. Dock this thing in the middle. 0.5, 0, 0.350. Now this looks awesome. Okay. So now I'm going to still do one more thing. Firstly is the text label for the post. Oh shoot, what happened to the thing? Whoops. Oh yes, I realized that this is supposed to be a border. Let me just get the thing right. Just the size. 24. 4. And then I'm going to make this thing minus 12. I think. Yeah, minus 12 is fine. I think it's still not enough. Oh wait, this is 0.49, this is 0.51. There you go, now that looks like it's in the middle. Even though the image is like the wrong one. Okay, next is... Oh yes. Let me stop this. 0.5, 0. So that's towards the top, the middle, the center, the top center, I think. Oh wait. Okay. Gonna make it look like this. And I'm going to get rid of the pixels. I'm going to make this thing a cartoon. And I'm gonna Host. Actually, this looks better. Now, should we make it black or should we make it another color? Like the host label. Nice. Ace Star has scam. Focus been working for you. Mass.random lol. The colors are a little too bright. Weird.
So I'm crazy. Oh my baby, got me staring at you. So I'm crazy. Won't you bend that back for me? We won't stop. Got your feet both locked. You get to fly with me. I can take you down for a ride. I take you around.
Cam.focus has been working for you? Actually, maybe I can see what happens. Cam.focus. For me, no idea for now, okay? Because... let me just check the stuff up here. Camera... Camera.focus. Just the area in 3D space that is prohibited by Roblox's graphical systems. That I don't think I'm gonna work with it yet. C-Star.X has stopped. Oof. Oof, oof. Oof. Sup, my home slice? Hello! What's a home slice again? Okay, I'm just gonna make the hosts, yes, a test label saying host. What should I name it? Shake my head. Also, maybe because the thing is a little too bright, I'm gonna tune it down a little. How's this? Can I suggest music? Oh yeah, things can be prohibited. Like you can see, you can set the range. I think what it says on the camera.focus is that sets the area in 3D space that is all prioritized, not prohibited by Roblox's graphical systems. So it's just basically as setting what Roblox will render first, like what Roblox's graphical systems will render render specifically first before anything else comes in. Hello, hello, how are you doing? So, anyways, now how's the frame color? Because it sounds, like it might be a little too bright right now. Sometimes I don't really like the sometimes I don't really like Roblox's GUI editor. It's just weird. That's Yoshi's sounds. Oh yes. Okay, and by the way, hold up. Okay, sorry, CStar.x has stopped working again, so let me just continue working. Okay, now, let me just get the, where is the round 5 plug? This is gonna be the border thing. There you go, this looks cool. Now, I'm going to make it this. Oof. Okay, this is not good. 0. Okay, this is going to be 0. Oh wait, what happened to the playlist, by the way? Video pause, continue watching. Yes. Recently, I thought the stream stopped working. Whoops! Yeah, sometimes YouTube can do some very stupid things here. And I have no idea why. Actually, no. Let's gonna do it this way. Yeah. Okay. Let me make this thing again. There you go. Gonna make it and make this thing 0.50. Actually 0.8. Like 80% of the size of the thing, of the frame. And then I'm going to make this. Let's make it 0.1. Or actually, make it 200 or 100 is fine, or just 80. Let's tune it down to 50. Yeah, that looks cool. Okay. Now, let me just get the frame up a little. So in this case, 8. Or actually, no. I have another idea, which is here. I'm going to tune this down just a little bit. I'm going to not tune it down. I'm going to like make it go down a little bit. And then let me just go ahead and fix the UI editor. So now how does it look? Like, yes, yeah, there's nothing in this thing. There's nothing in this text yet. Host name frame. I'm going to text label this. 10. Okay. Trying this again. This is like the UI editor is getting very weird right now. Like very weird. Let's try this again. Size. Good, and then let me get so. And actually, I want to make the frame. The frame's colors go a little bit transparent orange. Yeah, okay, though the text label I'm going to turn this off. Like turn off all these. Okay. Now, let me just do this. One thing that I want is that I have to make sure I use the fonts consistently because I don't want to make a mess of the fonts. So this will be the player name. Oh, is it towards the center? And let's see. Oh yes. Sometimes I don't really like using the UI editor. Let me just go ahead and fix this for now. Okay, it's back. Phew. Just long song intervals. Nice. Oh yeah, nice music. Thanks. You should head down, and if in the description it's where I use the music. Okay. So now I'm going to like make this lobby player's GUI shoe, as in like shoe, go away. Oh no, not that, not this property. I want this to go shoe. I said shoe. Thank you. Oh, yeah, the UI editor is getting weird right now. Apparently. Hold on, let me just publish this place. And like restart the studio again. Be right back, I'll open the studio again. Okay, let's see if this works. Okay, do I have everything in here? Yes, I do. Okay, now I'm gonna open up the framework and let's see here. Where are the controllers? There's GUI manager. Okay. Oh, also let me check the size of the lobby. Number of lobbies. Yeah. By the way, at first, the fonts that I use for the script editor is actually the funny Mario and Luigi fonts. But now I turned that to the fonts that I use for Visual Studio because it looks more professional. Okay, let's see if this works. Cool. This looks cool. Okay. So now I know that the lobby service will be able to register this thing. So that is good. So now I'm going to see where's the image. Okay. But then I'm gonna need to also add the client events for that. Okay, let's see here. Client events. To get client events. There we go. Here's the client events. Okay. Let me get this thing up. Server service. Yeah, okay, I got it right. So, let's see here. I think it's literally just the same thing. I can make it so that it links to just events, and that's it. Yeah. What's next? Yeah. Back to the UI manager. I know the lobby service. Ouch. Dot. Hold up. Where's the lobby service? The player added. Player added. Connect. And the what are the parameters? No, not this one. Oh yes, the player and the lobby. Player lobby. If in lobby is this lobby, hopefully this works, then like it's just saying that like typical A is three, print A is A. Then this will be true. However, if I just make myself another table like this, then it's not gonna be true because the address to these two variables are different. So yeah, that's it. It works. Well, actually, let's not do that. Instead, I'm going to make it so that it's actually the local player. The local player. Like, you can only host one lobby, you cannot host multiple of them because that wouldn't make sense at all. So I'm just gonna make it so that like only one player. So I'm going to make it so that like it checks whether the lobby that the player is added in is the one that you hosted. Of course, hackers are going to try to like add multiple lobbies, so I'm going to stop them from doing that. However, how am I supposed to do that? Well, player info service, in case you don't know, is just a service for player info. Easy. And this is where I had to add the player info. So let me head to mode service. Wait, not mode service, player infos. The player info object. We have this. The current lobby is right there. So now, lobby service, the player info service is right here. Where's the player info service? Oh, right, it's in there. Okay. Let me go ahead and set it. Player info service. Hold up. Hold up. Let me see if I have anything. I think best thing I should do is to actually player info service. Actually, it's player info list. Info list. Player. It would equal to the new player info, like something like this. Is equal to player info. I need to reference the module. Oops. And player info is equal to self.modules.player info. Oh yes, because this game is based on a framework, the way that I code things is a little different. Such as something like this. So player info.new. New. Okay, cool. So I'm going to return. Go. Oh wait. Wait. Come on, Caleb. Or like, seriously? Seriously? Come on. I should stop like saying my name, even though people know who I am already. Are we going to be using voxel or legacy? We're going to be using voxel because it has a lot more options than you think, and Roblox encourages us to actually use voxel now. because legacy lighting sucks. Voxel lighting, it's better. Trust me. Like if you go to deep forums, Roblox should be able to tell you that Roblox even though Roblox is still testing the voxel lighting and all that, like I think we should actually test out the voxel lighting, and that's all I can say to you. Otherwise, I would actually say some very bad stuff. Okay, so now here, it's clear. Return. And I'm going to add set info, which is here. The info list, clear. Dot, oh wait, player and the, let's just say info name and value. Info name, value, done. So now I'm going to do the same thing here. Where is the lobby service? Okay, set info. I'm going to have the player, which is the host. Gonna use the string for this one, which is current lobby is equal to the new lobby. Perfect. Now, gonna make this. I'll do that. Say hi. Okay, let's try something like that. Oh, wait a minute. Of course, I have to also lobby service dot here, lobby service dot lobby created, lobby removed. Connect some function. I'm not sure if I should actually define one. And I have to make lobby removed. And I'm going to make sure that the host info service get host. That's what I have. Oh yes, return the player info list. Player. Also, I'm going to add the event. Event info change. goes to player info changed. So I think this is, yeah, this is where we connect events. Gonna make the list of events. And then gonna this poof. Yeah, that's cool. Now, let's I'll set this up like later. Okay. Self done. Okay, let's see how we're supposed to do that. Oh yeah, self-fire events. What was I? Self-fire events. Player info change. Will change. Player info name. Cool. Post current lobby is Neil. That's what I'm supposed to say. Then I'll end here. Put an else. Here, gonna indent. Else one. Can only host one lobby. And this is going to return nothing. Also, let's try it. Unless something's wrong. Hey, going well? The init process is good? Okay. Ah, yes, there you go. This is good. Oh, yes. Yes, now no exploiter will be able to like play around the lobby system. Yes. Oh yeah, and sorry that like on my list of stuff is like, what up? Because then I'm gonna have to widget editor, visual settings. I'm then gonna need to make sure that the okay, you know what? I'm fine. Properties. Fonts.
Are you afraid of the dark?
Okay. You know what? I'm just gonna move this then.
I am you.
Yeah. Yeah, sorry about that. I'm just gonna move this now. And also, let me just change this back to Roblox Studio. There you go, that looks good. Next time, maybe next time I just have to like deal with the transparency of the event list, or maybe just get rid of it entirely. Actually, you know what? I'll just do that because this thing is like getting in the way. There you go. Let me jump back to Roblox Studio. Okay, there you go. That's better. So let's see here, the lobby created, lobby removed. Okay, maybe I should actually end the stream now because it's 5:30 and I have to get a few things ready. So next time,
Are you scared?
next time we stream, I will just see you again. Like I will just be chatting, or maybe you can just, maybe I will be everywhere and you'll be able to see me. So yeah. See you next time, people.